recording now. Okay. Get packs. 50 alpha packs. Buy. Confirm. Let me share on Discord so they can watch. Alright. I better. Look at this 20 renown I have left. Alright, 50. Here we go. Oh, starting off good. Never mind. Rifle expert. Oh, that's terrible. Oh. First zip clip. This is so fun. Oh my god. Oh, no way. Not again. This exact. I literally just got this. This is what happened last time too. Yes, I already bought my 50 alpha packs. Like, yeah, before. Okay. I've already opened 10. And I got 1 epic. Holy crap. What is going on? Finally, a rare. How do I not have this? Another rare. I like that. Where are the legendaries at? That's crazy. Holy shit. It's so ugly. No way. I've gotten 0 legendaries. I know. What the hell? I got this yesterday. Where are all my legendaries? Holy fuck, there's no way I'm getting this scammed. Okay. MP7. God damn it! Okay, MP5. I hate this game. That's actually pretty hot. How many do I have left? I only have 24 left? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what my 180,000 renown goes to. So ugly. That's alright. I'm getting so many blues. That's hot. Why Ubisoft? That's disgusting. I only have 16 left. No way. I'm going to shoot myself. I just got this. Okay. We're down to the last 10. I'm gonna go ahead and buy. Yeah, I've gotten jack shit. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy some more for the boys. Okay, 12. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. A blue. I just got this for Thatcher. Another blue. I just got this earlier. It's disgusting. What the hell? I only have 6 left. I just want one black ice or one new legendary. What does it take? Here we go. Please. God! Why? Well, at least I got a black ice. For someone I don't ever play. What's up with all these Cold War skins? Please, MP5 black ice. Fucking bro. This is the last one. Wow, very nice smoke chibi. I can't even buy 2. I can only buy 1. Oh, please be a legendary. Please. Hope it's coming. Dang, ice! Oh, I can buy another one. Oh, Lord. This is the legendary. This is it. It's gonna be the Elegant skin that I wanted. Nope, another icon. What a way to use 180,000 renown. Let's go. For sure.